How to make a free website with payment gateway. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a free website with payment gateway. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in any of this website, you can use the link in the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. Now the first website that we can use to create a payment gateway for free is this Wix website, in which it is a cloud-based website building platform that allows users to create a professionally and visually appealing website without the need for advanced coding skills. It also provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, customizable templates, and a wide range of design elements, making it suitable for beginners, small businesses, and creative professionals. So to create an account after signing in, from here you can click Create New Site button on the top right and use a Wix editor button to proceed. In which by simply clicking on it, from here the next thing that we need to simply click is Set Up Without Chat. And after that, from here just enter what kind of website are we creating, for example blog, and click the Continue button. It will automatically prepare our dashboard right here. So all we need to do is to wait for it to load, and you will automatically be directed on this page. And here you should be able to see on a pop-up window some of the things that you need to fill out, and that includes the website name in here. All you need to do is simply enter the name of your site, and that depends on your preferences. So from here you could also skip this part or click to enter here the name, for example LeBron. Click Continue. And also some of your goals for this site, you can simply check these boxes and click the Continue once again. For the Wix app, just click Continue and go to your dashboard. Now by doing so, to start here creating a payment gateway, we can simply go on the left side panel, in which it will show us a variety of options to navigate, and just click Getting Paid. From here you can click Connect Payment Method to start connecting some of the things, and that includes your PayPal account or even manual payments. But I'm going to choose PayPal by clicking Connect. It will show you the step-by-step process to do so, and that includes to enter your PayPal account email below. Click Connect and you'll be directed on the PayPal where you need to sign in your account to actually connect it or link directly in here. Once done, the customer will now have the option to pay using PayPal, and you will receive the payment via PayPal right here. Now the other one to create a payment gateway is using this website called Equid, in which it is an easy to use e-commerce platforms that allows businesses of all sizes to create and manage an online store without the need for advanced technical skills. So from here, just simply sign in your account for free, and in here on the left side panel, just click. It will show you under catalog in here all of the products you're selling. But to start adding the payment gateway, all you need to do is simply navigate on the left side panel and click or find here the payment option. By clicking here, this payment right here, it will show you on the right side panel that you can connect your PayPal, paid with cash, using credit or debit card in here, or even simply connecting your Stripe account to do so. So that the customer has a lot of option to send their payment. By connecting here our PayPal, we can simply add or sign in our PayPal account, email address, and any other details. Or you could also enter here or link your own credit or debit card, Visa, MasterCard in here. Or simply choose here to add or receive the payment via cryptocurrency if you want to, in which the more the payment option or methods, the better. Now aside from Equid and also the Wix, you could also add or create another payment gateway using this website called Printify. From here, all you need to do is simply sign in, and on the left side panel, it will show you this wallet option, so you can click payments right here, and it will show you that you need to simply add your credit or debit card if you want to receive a payment from the customer, and any other details. You could also create another store in here by clicking on the top panel on the left side of it and click plus button. Upon clicking plus button, you can start adding your own payment gateway depending on the payment methods that you prefer. You also accept here PayPal, and even Stripe account. And as you can see, it is important to make a free website with a payment gateway since it gives individual and small businesses the opportunity to sell products and services online without needing a large budget for setup. You can use it. This is Printify, Equid, or even this Wix to do so. And overall, that is just how you can make a free website with payment gateway. Thank you.